Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop background sounds on your iPhone with a timer using two super easy methods on iOS 26. Alright, first up, we'll use the background sounds timer. So crack open your settings app, scroll down, and hit up accessibility. Then under the hearing section, tap on audio and visual, and next hit background sounds. Woolus. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see stop sounds with a timer. Flip that toggle on. Now you'll get a couple options, like at a specific time or after an amount of time. Just pick whatever's gonna work best for ya. If you go with stop at, you can set the exact time you want those background sounds to cut off. And there's even an always use these settings toggle, so your iPhone remembers this stuff every time you turn on background sounds. Cool. Now on to method number 2, using the control center. This one's real quick. Just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open control center. You'll see the background sounds icon right there. If ya don't see it, you'll need to add it first. Check out my separate tutorial linked in the description and pinned comment for that. Long press on that icon, and boom. You'll get more options. You can pick different sounds, tweak the volume with the slider. You'll see the timer status up top saying either stop after or stop at time. Want to tweak it? Simply scroll down to your background sound settings and adjust them. And if you scroll down a bit, tap on background sound settings. That's going to take you right back to all the detailed settings. From there, just scroll to stop sounds with a timer and set it up like we did in method 1, whether you want to stop it at a certain time or after a set amount of time. So yeah, whether you're setting a timer through accessibility or managing it straight from Control Center, you've got two slick ways to stop those background sounds on your iPhone. If this vid helped you out, do me a solid, smash that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Catch you later.